Exploded views have always been a great tool in helping communicate your designs to your end consumer or customer. SOLIDWORKS 2019 has a handful of updates that we think are important for you to know. Let's take a look at what SOLIDWORKS 2019 has to offer to help you create exploded views. The first thing I want to mention with exploded views is the fact that we now have access to a rollback bar. This works just like it does in the Feature Manager, where we can roll back and forward throughout each step in our exploded view. We can see as we do this that the removal screws for our end cap happen to explode at the wrong time. Let's go ahead and make an edit to this. You can see that we have the rollback bar available to us directly inside of the edit as well. And another option is we can now take each of these steps and simply drag and drop them into their new location to update their position in the exploded view. Now you can see that we remove the screws and then the end cap. While we're inside of here editing, let's go ahead and roll the design down to this inner washer stack. We can see here that the inner washer stack has not actually been exploded. Another great option is for us to go ahead and just create a new exploded view directly inside of here. We can rename this on the fly. We'll call this one Unstack Washers. And we can make sure that we're using the auto space components on drag and go ahead and explode these out at the same time. Once we do that, the new step is placed directly above our rollback bar. Once we OK this, you can see that the new Unstack Washer step has been placed directly in that location, and we can go ahead and roll this directly to the end. While exploded views are beneficial to communicating your design intent across detailed drawings, animations are always a great way to explore the exploded view process. Now for 2019, we have several new options when we're saving out animations of our exploded view. There are a couple new formats that we have access to now, such as FLV, MKV, as well as MP4 format. If we save and export these, we can get access to this video directly in this new format. Whether you're new to creating exploded view animations or you're an old pro looking to get a little bit more out of your designs, SOLIDWORKS 2019 has a few new tools to help you speed up the process.